YoWIE is a program designed to get women into engineering. So there's currently only about 5 to 10% of women in engineering, and I think it's really important that YoWIE was formed to give girls an introduction to what engineering is all about. They're currently working on a little activity called Lost in Space. So they're currently building a radio, and they just have to navigate through a little maze and find their rocket ship. So we've got a transmitter on the front table, and each group has their own little receivers, and the transmitter will send out, once they've coded it all up, the transmitter will send out a signal that the receivers will receive, and they'll be able to see the waves on their computer screens and listen through a headset some of the messages that they're being sent from the transmitter.